परमेश्वर आप आ गया। विच ननकाने पागे ला गया, खुद परमेश्वर आप आ गया। मचिया चारे लीला तेरी, आखे वाहिगुरु रसना मेरी।
गुरु ਸਰੂਪ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you on the auspicious occasion of Prakash Utsav of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji was moved by the plight of the people of world and wanted to tell them about the real message of God. The people of the world were confused by the conflicting message given by the priests, pandits, qazis, etc. He was determined to bring his message to the masses. So in 1499, he decided to set out on his sacred mission to spread the holy message of peace and compassion to all of the mankind. It is believed that Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji is the second most travelled person in the world. Most of his journeys were made on foot with his companion Bhai Mardana. He travelled in all four directions: north, east, west and south. The founder Sikh Guru is believed to have travelled more than 28,000 kilometers in major tours of the world during the period from 1500 to 1524. Guru Nanak Dev Ji saw the suffering of the hatred, falsehood and hypocrisy. The world had sunk into wickedness and sin. So he decided that he had to travel and educate and spread the message of Almighty Lord. So he set out in 1499 on his mission for the regeneration of humanity on this earth. He carried the torch of truth, heavenly love, peace, joy of mankind. For 1 year he spread his message of peace, compassion and truth to the people in and around his home. Then in 1500 he embarked on his divine mission and went towards east, west, north and south and visited various centers of Hindus, Muslims, Buddhists, Jains, Sufis and yogis. He met people of different religions, tribes, cultures and races. He travelled on foot with his Muslim companion named Bhai Mardana. His travels are called Udasis. In his first Udasi, Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji covered east of India and returned home after spending about 6 years. He started from Sultanpur in 1500 and went to his village Talwandi to meet and inform his parents about his long journey. His parents wanted their young son to provide comfort and protection for them in their old age, and so they told him that they would prefer it if he didn't go. But he told them that the world was burning in the fire of Kaljug and that thousands and thousands were waiting for the divine message of the Almighty for comfort, love and salvation. The Guru therefore told his parents, "There is a call from heaven. I must go whither he directs me to go." Upon hearing these words, his parents agreed and gave their blessings. So, Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji started his mission and the roots of Sikhism were laid down first towards the east of India. According to the Puratan Janam Sakhi, which is one of the oldest accounts of the life history of Guru Nanak, Guruji undertook 5 missionary journeys to the faraway places of Ceylon, now Sri Lanka, Makkah, Baghdad, Kamrup, Assam, and many more. Guruji travelled far and wide to spread the word of Gurbani and covered most of India, present day Bangladesh, Pakistan, Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, southwest China, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arab, Egypt, Israel, Jordan. Now, the summary of the journeys of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. The journeys known as the Udasis. The first Udasi lasted about 7 years from 1500 to 1506 and covered the towns Sultanpur, Tulamba, Panipat, Delhi, Banaras, Nanakmatta, Saidpur, Sialkot. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was of the age 31 to 37. The second Udasi lasted for 7 years from 1506 to 1513 AD and covered Dhanasri Valley, Sangla Dweep. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was of the age 37 to 44 years. The third Udasi lasted for 5 years from 1514 to 1518 and covered the following towns and regions: Kashmir, Sumer Parbat, Nepal, Taskhand, Sikkim, Tibet. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was of the age 45 to 49 years. The fourth Udasi lasted for 3 years and covered the Makkah and the Arab countries. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was of the age 50 to 52 years. Lasted about 2 years, the fifth Udasi, and covered the towns and regions within the Punjab. After which Guruji settled to Kartarpur before leaving his physical form. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was of the age 56 to 70 and Guruji spent 24 years in these Udasis. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।